No, we literally don't drive on the right side of the road.
Yeah.
We drive on the left side. Well, no, we do drive on the. We do ride on the right side of the road.
I'll make it test this about 1 billion times. If no, it said it finally found what was actually wrong. You were right. That's how it started off. That sentence. You were right.
And you see the size of their license plates? Like, it takes up the whole backside of their cars, dude. Like,
Well, you've got to be able to see the license plates.
how blind are
That's
you
not the
guys?
point.
Seriously. Like, I have no problem seeing the plates at all in our...
Oh my God! No. When you look at a motorcycle license plate, you cannot read it. I don't care what you say.
Right.
They're so tiny, it is ridiculous.
Now I'm getting curious because I'm wondering how big a license plate is in England on the back of a motorcycle. Like, is it?
Yes. We have to find this out immediately.
It's got to be bad. Like, somebody's getting hurt, you know what I mean? Driving down the road and some poor bystander walking on a sidewalk getting hit by it.
Usually, motorcycle licenses are 2.9.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Just a single line.
Is this you?
2.9.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, so far. Now.
Where's Mark?
And besides, you could have to have big
Who-
license.
Who were you talking to just
so
now?
that the
I'm on the other one
talking-
too.
license
Oh, you're on both?
cameras
Yeah.
can read it.
That's so
clearly.
cool. So you have 2 streams going?
Yeah.
So
I turned off the screen for for the screen share, and I muted out
Got to.
the other one. So.
Oh, Bob, where did Bob go?
I am I'm at the mall.
Right before the next
I'm taking the
distraction.
kids to the mall for a little bit.
I was just making
So
sure
you can
we're
hang around
That's cool.
on the other stream.
No,
We're
hey
still
man,
connected.
walk through, and I will show
it's going
your.
round and round. So what does
I'll
it
show
say?
your
Formation
thing so
says. Apparently,
people can see
I
what
go to the
the
home page. I'm on
Okay.
recent activity.
so that people can see what's going on with you at the store.
Alright.
Remind me to bring up the
I'm at the Square
refresh
One
thing,
shopping mall
spinning
in
wheel.
Mississauga, which is the west
Alright.
west end of Toronto.
It should
Okay.
turn back to your Wi-Fi icon. I'm not sure why it's just
Put the
spinning
camera around.
when
Yeah.
you're connected.
So, but we still can't see each other's posts, and you were typing in a new a new prompt.
Oh yeah. Well, it said it
The
finally
Walmart
found
at the
it.
far end there.
Oh, it
You
found
were
it.
right. I found and fixed the exact bug. So, and then it tells me what it fixed.
That's
and
pretty
then
cool.
I said, okay, we'll go test it again then.
It's just
And
Scoop ice
so now
cream.
that's what it's
That's what
doing.
So are we watching it?
Yeah,
Or are we
Walking
tired of watching
by.
them? No,
I'm
we're
I'm
still.
just sitting outside one of the shops waiting for the kids to do their stuff.
Okay, so account created, swarm mesh connected successfully. Toast visible. Now I'm on the profile
That is
page.
so
Let me
cool.
create a post. This will test the
Really, this is
offline
like
queue
the
since
second
no peers are
biggest
reachable.
shopping mall in Canada.
No peers
That's
are
what I was
reachable.
getting ready
That's
to
our
say.
problem,
Like,
right?
how big exactly is that?
Let me see.
So post created
Let
successfully.
me look it up.
Mesh
I gotta
sync
look it up
test
on
post from
Wikipedia.
sync test node is visible by sync tester less than a minute ago.
In terms of square
Error
footage.
toast P2P connection failed. Cannot read properties of null. Reading update
Dude, I'm
control
like the
state.
coolest dude on
There's
the
a
face
null
of the
reference
planet.
bug in the
right now.
P2P connection path.
You are?
Check
Yeah.
console logs. Okay,
I
here
got
we
Yeah,
go.
you are,
Work.
man. You're
Account
like, what do you call it? You're
Post
simulcasting on
publish,
2
swarm
screens.
mesh
That's so cool.
initialized. No page freeze.
I got
2 bugs
you
found.
showing one of the largest malls
ID config
in
from
Canada, and
PeerJS
Bob Dub is in New
retry
Zealand. New
The
Zealand,
adapt
working
successfully
with Minds
registers
Gaming.
Peer on
Right.
attempt 1, but when that attempt fails, tries 3
That is cool.
tries to register the same ID again. ID is taken, P2P fails completely. The adapter needs to reuse the existing connection instead of creating a new peer instance on retry.
I'll go grab me some coffee real quick.
Bug 2, cannot read properties of null. Reading update control state. Uses P2P TS601 references a null swarm mesh adapter after the P2P manager fails to start. This crashes the enable P2P flow and shows the error toast.
Can you still hear
What
me though?
this means for content sync. The post was created locally, but because P2P failed to fully start,
Yeah, I can still hear you.
bug 1 cascaded
So,
into bug 2.
Square One Shopping Center
The swarm mesh
is
adapter
2.2
was never
million
initialized.
square feet of retail space.
So, no broadcast post was called.
That's
No
just retail
offline
space,
queue was
excluding
triggered.
parking lot.
Swarm
I was
mesh
thinking that their
post
parking lot has more
wasn't
space than the actual shopping mall
instantiated.
itself.
Your dev
All
node
around the square
685C
are parking
never
spaces.
received the
Yeah.
post. These two
they're
bugs
dying
need
out.
fixing before cross-node sync can
Who's
work.
dying out?
They're
Shall
dying
I
out down
fix them?
here in the United States. So that's kind of cool that
Shopping
there's-
malls are dying out?
Yeah,
What that sounds
Why?
like?
I have no clue.
That's
We
not like,
we had one here
lack of
that ended up closing up in Southern Illinois. Is the only one we had forever, and then like in Arizona they shut down Superstition.
Yeah. We're using Gun.js
They
over
have
Stun right now, so
360
but
shops.
it's testing.
services.
It works inside the builder mode. It's just not figuring out how to use the library to auto connect. It seems to be the main issue.
The other thing I could think of is not ACPU, Redis.
Man, it's like
What do you mean?
on location. You know what I mean?
The memory caching.
Okay,
No, yeah.
let me run it.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
my,
Flags.
coffee
Flag.
real quick.
Yeah, I just call it flags.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I told it to improve the flags too, and that was my a thought of mine as well.
Sorry,
Okay.
Roger.
Oh, are we
Just to-
carrying on? Was that
Yeah,
the
yeah,
end?
it's doing things.
Oh, it's fixing it. Okay.
It's doing things again.
Just where she's doing that, Roger. In relation to your British cycle license plates, and I've just come up with a website in relation to DVLA, and there are very specific rules about the thickness of each of the characters, the width of the signs, it's very sort of technical and very sort of precise. Characters must be at a certain width, certain height. The spacing between the characters must be a certain spacing. Really,
Interesting.
That
the
is
stroke of
just
the thickness of each letter should be 10 millimeters. The margin, the top and bottom side margin of each character has to be 11 millimeters. Spacing between each letter should be 10 millimeters.
that's just craziness.
Or passing by
Yeah.
waving at the camera.
Each letter, with the exception of I's and ones, must be 64 millimeters tall by 44 millimeters wide.
They see the camera. That's what I was telling somebody before. Is like set up a podcast out in an area like that,
That's something.
Yeah.
and just do a podcast right there in the area, and man, people will come by and freaking look, and it'll actually, people don't think about that. Like I could go up on Main Street, put a table up on the freaking Main Street, and just
So
do
the
a
legend that it's
podcast.
fixed. Does it?
And it,
Yeah, I am told to test the screenshots because I'm getting an error.
so I
Okay.
still haven't gotten my coffee yet.
Well, I'm suspecting that
Oh,
this
what
little
happened? Is it brewing?
No, I have to go in there and
signal
get it.
here
I'll be right back.
Mm.
Okay.
might be saying that it's
What are you-
lying
what were you
to us
doing all
about
this
being
time? I
connected.
thought you were going to get it.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it wired the
Just keep talking.
the switching through that correctly too. That's something.
So some of the major stores in
I
the
gotta get going soon. I'm
Walmart.
getting a little beat from this.
Walmart
Yeah, I am too,
Supercenter,
honest.
Renfrew,
I'm gonna let this one run and kind of
Simon,
watch it and probably hop off unless you want to
Indigo,
do
which
the.
is the
Oh, we don't
bookstore.
have
I don't know
Otto.
if they have it down there.
Oh, Otto is here. Otto.
Hello.
Sports Tech.
Hello.
So maybe we can try to
high-end
get Roger
fashion
back and we
stores,
can do
like Gucci and Tiffany
Sus
and Co.
episode 2. Real quick.
Harry Rose and
Oh, cool.
Because
Salvatore Ferragamo.
the AI coding.
Yeah.
Apple
Need
Store
to
is
do
in here
something.
also.
Would you like to do that?
Uniqlo,
Otto, do you feel like
Zara, and
Be more than
H&M,
happy to
clothing
join
store,
in and everything.
Aritzia,
Didn't get a lot of sleep,
Lululemon.
so I'm a little groggy.
We have got another show scheduled. Roger, what's happening?
okay? Shall I?
Yeah, I ended up getting Dan on, so I'm gonna back out of here. And,
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
and,
Start that one.
get that going. So
Oh, you guys have you already have something planned.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, we'll do it Thursday. Sounds good.
All right.
And
Okay, Roger, I'm just going to make myself a coffee and I'll be right with you.
okay. And I will talk to you guys later, man. This is really turning out good. I'm glad to.
Yeah, definitely try to, if you have a chance, try to use it. Let me know
The
what
question
issues you
where
run
to
into.
use,
I mean,
I
or let
think
Bob
that's
know what
all.
issues you run into because we both have access to the
Right,
log
then
book and
next-
plug them in for it to try to fix them and stuff. So we can try to get things kind of tweaked. If you have any
Kinda new.
suggestions or things you want to see,
I stopped.
definitely send them over.
I stopped
Yeah,
doing
well-
suggestions a long time ago. I let Mark.
Yeah,
know.
I love to play around. I love to play around with it over the next couple of days.
Yeah. And is it still the same link to get on there that it was before for the website, Mike?
What was it?
Is it still the same?
Space.
Is it still the same
Liverpool.
link that you had before for your website stuff?
It's swarm space dot here yeah, it's in the chat. Hold on, I'll
Okay.
send it to you.
swarm-space.lovable.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, that one. Yep.
cool. So I'm gonna back out of here. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll come on there.
All
and
right,
set-
guys.
I'll set up an account on there again. So
Yeah. Just know, it still has a lot of work. So don't. When we get there, you will be the first to know that it's stable.
Okay, we go.
Okay.
Stuff, so.
all right.
But yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Bye, Bob.
Are you
Where are we going
going?
now?
Okay. See you
Yeah,
guys.
I'm
Thanks
out
for
of
a
here.
great morning.
Bye-bye.
Let's try again tomorrow if you wanna.
So we can go back and test on the way out. What time is it? So long as we get there before 9.
All right.
8:30. All right, we're walking.
We're in motion. I see
on the
that.
move. On the move.
Now I backed out with the other stream with Mike and them, so we're in the mall. We're doing all
Doing
the
a
moving
tour.
around. This is
We're doing a tour of Canada's
walk around.
Square One shopping mall.